guys, it's Miza here from TopGear Malaysia. Since I have dressed beautifully with my high heels and full face makeup on, you might want to know what day is today. Yes, I am going on a date. With who and where? Okay, you guys relax and just follow me, okay? Okay, before we head to my dating spot, I would like to briefly introduce this Mercedes Benz A200 progressive line. This model is actually quite familiar in Malaysia because it was a CBU models before, but now it has been upgraded to CKD A-class sedan, and the exterior-wise is actually pretty much the same from the CBU models. The only notable changes is that the run flat tire has been replaced with the conventional tires. So, oh my god, I am so late! We'll talk more inside the car. You guys just follow me, okay? Follow me tau. Okay, I'm inside the car and on my way. So let's talk more about this car, okay? So this Mercedes Benz A200 is powered by 1.3 litre engine, 163 horsepower and 250 Nm, as well as the 7-speed dual clutch transmission. And I know the interior might look a little bit subdued, but little to know that this A200 can also be fast. And since I am late, you guys might also curious how fast it can go. So you guys relax, I tekan je, okay? Ooh. Laju eh! As for the safety, it comes with 7 airbags and autonomous emergency brake and many more, as well as the dual zone air conditioning. This is the part that I think the A200 would be in sale like hotcakes. And behind the legroom and headroom is spacious than the AMG A250 line. So, for a family man, you might want to consider this. And yeah, I have arrived and we come down to the last part about this car, which is the price. So the total cost of this A200 is cost at RM219,000 ringgit 888 cents. This price already been included with a 5% of sales tax assumption, and each purchase you can get 4 years of unlimited mileage warranty. And for your information, this price is actually 10,000 ringgit Malaysia, way more cheaper than the previous CBU model. And it is also, I think, the most affordable Mercedes-Benz you can find in Malaysia. So I think that's all for now, kan? And, my date, my boyfriend. Guys, I am on my date. And who needs a boyfriend when we have this handsome, macho-looking Mercedes-Benz A200? So gotcha, actually this Benz is my date. And don't forget to log on to topgear.com.my for more car information, and don't also forget to like, share and subscribe to our social media channel. Till then, have a nice day and stay safe. Bye!